Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is water reflection image. Means the images which is formed in a water, or we can say still water surface. Okay, so that reflections image we have to imagine, and as per this one the correct options from the given options we have to choose that which reflection or which image can be form up. Okay, what is exactly the water reflection image? So here the summarizedly for the reflection image means whether that is in mirror image or in a water reflection image, that is given. Okay, so means that images are flipping in a right or left side, or we can say vertically downward or upward. Okay, so for this one, when we see the mirror image of an object, left part of the object appears to the right side and a right part of the object appears in a left part. Letters, numbers and figures are used in this type of the question. Study the mirror images helps to study the improve his capacity of the observations, logical thinking and the analytical reasoning. This type of questions include the questions, figures and answers. The figures are given in a four alternatives. We have to choose the correct alternative. Okay, so this is the summarizedly given what exactly we are going to learn and what we have to do this one. So for this one, mostly we have to solve number of questions, and most important is we have to observe in surrounding us what exactly the water reflections, or in even with a mirror also, while you are seeing in a mirror what exactly the changes actually and in a mirror image. Okay, so means left and the right parts. Okay, so with your hairstyle you can easily recognize that one, so that we have to observe. Okay, so that you can your logical thinking will be improved. In a reflection of the object in a water is called the water images. Okay, so in the next slide I will elaborately what exactly the water images. Okay, so here some summarizedly again some parts are given for particularly water reflection. It is the invert image obtained by turning the object upside down. Okay, and here invert image, these two words are very important, invert image and upside down. Here right side and left side remain unchanged. Okay, means right should be in a right and left side should be in a left. Okay, unchanged is there. We have to imagine that question figure is held vertically above the water. Always be remember that this image always be maintained in vertically. Okay, up and down in water. Okay, mirror may be in left side or right side, or we can see in upward direction, upward vertically. Okay, but even in horizontal also, but images in water is always be flipping vertically, means downward, vertical to the downward. Okay, because water is always be in horizontal position, so means vertical images means here suppose this is the image, so here that images will form, means that is a vertically. Okay, we are saying so images are flipping in vertical manner. Okay, but the water surface is in horizontal. Okay, now in this type of the question figure is given and four answers figures are given in alternative options. Out of these four answers figure, we have to identify its water image and we have to select the proper alternative. Okay, through the examples we are going to clear our logic and we have to improve our thinking. So okay, so there is no any proper formula or something, but that logic is there, so and that logic should be getting after the solving the problems. So here water, suppose this is water text is there. Okay, and this is a water surface. Okay, this is a symbolic form of this water surface. Okay, suppose this is a water level, we can say. Now this is a just still water. Okay, so how this will be form up? So here w, if you can see the w, now here the top surface will comes in a vertically downward. Okay, means the nearest to the water surface, that part always be in a nearest, but it is a in downward direction. Okay, and those are farthest part of the any object from the water surface, that comes in a same distance, equidistance. Okay, means all the objects are making the equal distance but from the surface. Okay, same like a mirror, but in a left side that should be in a left side. Okay, right side that should be in a right side. Okay, means if you making the axis of this w, so if this is a left side and this is the right side of the w, so that will be the keeping in a same, but only the invert image. Invert means that is a, we can say, foldable. If you make a paper, okay, and if you fold from the half of and this turn up this paper, so after this folding at a half paper, so that is a, we can say, the reflection, or we can say that is a inverting. Okay, suppose here we are making the, suppose, T, okay, one text is there, and after this one it will comes like this one, okay, means after the folding. So it is the same like a folding type, okay, but here we are saying that is a inverting. Okay, inverting means reverse, or we can say up and down. Okay, means the top portion comes in a down and the bottom portions in upside. Okay, so like this one. Same here we can see the R, E and T letters, even A, all the reflections will be, the top will becomes near to the means in a bottom side. Okay, like this one. Here the top surface, it comes now here, you know, bottom side, and those are in a nearest to the surface, that here also the nearest. Okay, so that like this one. Okay, so this is called as the inverse. Okay, I hope you understand. Just take a small paper, okay, any paper, okay, so that paper you just make it in a folding at the middle one, okay, but before folding, with our your paint, you just make it some marking, okay, any A letter or suppose V letter or something, any alphabetical letter, and before getting to dry this letter, just make the fold and press it. So after this one you will get the same painting here also with that letter, okay, but that is the inverse. So that is called the inverse because of this folding image line. Okay, so this is our folding axis, or we can say this folding line on this paper. So this paper is folding like this one. So same images also here means making, so that is called the inverse. Okay, so in your surrounding area also you might be observe some images, or sometimes you observe in our nature. So this is the still water. Okay, still water means that is a steadily, okay, steadily water, that is not moving or something. Okay, that is a keeping steadily, okay, without wind or something. So now in this one, the reflection, or we can say the images form up. So now this is a edge. Okay, so this is a now horizontally from here to the here. Okay, now though if you see, if you observe this tree, whatever the portion here of the tree's left side, the same portion here also in a left side. Okay, and what are the portion here in a right side of this tree, same here also, that is makeup. Okay, for example, this branch, okay, this branch is making something angle to the this horizontal, same here also this branch is making the angle with this horizontal. Okay, means that is a only flipping or inversely. Okay, but the left side and the right side are keeping the same. So that imagine we have to do. So please observe this image, or even actually if you see such a type of the condition in near about you, or in home also, you can do the some experiment with taking the some water and try to make it some images. Okay, how that images form up in that still water. So that observation you can do. Now we are going to see the some examples, and through the examples we are going to understand this concept. Okay, now here the such symbolic formation is there, same like a mirror also, but in water reflection always be in horizontal, because water level always be in horizontal. Okay, it not like a vertical, or here also left side right side, or from the top horizontal. Okay, it only in a downward horizontal. Okay, means this image is forming somewhere here. Okay, in a reflections, like our this photograph also, this is the image suppose, and this is a water line. Okay, so this form up here, so this is a vertically, we can say flipping, or we can say inversing. So same like here also, so this is a water image, or we can say the water reflection symbolic formation. If suppose this symbol is not shown, but in a question asking for the water reflection, always we take this in a horizontal. Okay, so by default, because water is always be in horizontal position. So now this image is inverse in water. So how this comes, so this line is near to the edge of this water, so always be this directions with the right left. Okay, and the right side maintaining. So this will be here. After this one, this image, this vertical image will be form up here, and this vertical image also form up here. Now this horizontal line is towards the left, so it will be towards the left, and these are the horizontal with two verticals are forming like this one, and this circle will be here. Okay, so like this one. So this is a comes the water reflection, and from this image, whatever the you have imagined that image, whether that is available in our answers figure or in alternative, that we have to search and we have to make it that correct marking. So here now if you make these figures water images, you will find option number 4 is a correctly fitting with this images water reflection. Okay, so option number 4 here is the correct one. Now question number 2, M and E, these are the two alphabets. Okay, and here the water reflection. So how it will comes? So now it will comes like this, two vertical lines keeping same, and these two lines will be here, so it will comes like this one. Okay, and then E will be here, and then small E dash line here, and this line will be at the middle, and again this top one is the small top will comes at the bottom side. So like this one, this image, and this image is given in option number. So here I hope option number 1 is correctly, because here E is very different shows. Okay, so option number 1 is a perfectly matching with the water reflections of this given image. Now question number 3. So from this one, which one will be the water reflection for this one? So here this horizontal line is near to the surface of the water, so we will keep it as it is. Now this line is like this one, so in reflection we will see like this, and this one also like this one. After this horizontal line will be like this one. This flag is this side, means in the left side of this boat, so it will comes here, and this is moving to the from, or we can say the arrowing from left to the right. So here it will like this one. Okay, and this image is given in option number 3. Other option you can see it is not related to the this figure, because the right and left side are also changes. So always we remember right and left side. Okay, in water images, left hand side is toward the left and right side toward the right. Now, question number 4, 75. So here this line is somewhat be inclined, so it will becomes here, and this line is horizontal, so it will like this one. Now here the some curve is here of the 5, so it will comes like this one. Okay, and then this inclined line, and then this one horizontal, so like this one. So this is a water image. So now this is available option number 2. Yes, because if you see this 5 curve is somewhat be very different. Okay, this curve is here, so it will be also in the right side. Okay, maintaining some, but here it comes the in left side, so this is incorrectly. So that's why option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 5, S, T and O, these are the three alphabets are there, and how it will reflect in the water surface, so that we have to found from the given figure. So T will be like this one in vertically inversely, O will be same as it is, and S, now this is the shape of the S will be like this one. Okay, so this one and here, and after this one the top portion of this one S will be like this one. Okay, and like this S is only given in option number 2 and 3, and out of this one the T is given in option number only 2. So that's why option number 2 is correct, and here the T is showing something different, so that's why option number 3 is not correctly. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 6. So here diagonal line, and here also diagonal line. So this diagonal line will start near to the water surface, and same inclination angle will also be formed up. Okay, and after this one this diagonal also from here to here. Okay, and this square also I will just mark outing. Now this half of the circle on this diagonal will be keeping like this one. Okay, so this is the water image, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 7, this here the figure is there, and we have to find out the water reflection. So this vertical will be same as it is, and this circle will be toward the downside. Now this line is somewhat be inclined to the left side, so it will be maintaining like this one, and this line is to in a right side but in downward direction. But here now here from the down to the upward side it will reflect. Okay, and this figure is given in option number 3. Now, question number 8, 6, 9, and 8. These are the three numbers. So here, 6 this line will be here, so it will be also here maintaining, okay, and this circle, or we can say this shape. Then 9 also will be here, so this line will be somewhat be here, and this circle will be something here, okay, and then two circles are there. This is a small one, will be toward the downside, okay. Now this is given in option number 1. If you see the 6, 9 and 8 in a mirror image, it will be matching. So option number 1 is the correct one. And option number 2, 3 and 4, if you see the 9 is as it is, okay, here and here, so that's why this is incorrectly. And here in a 4, 6 is in left side, but here 6 is shown in right side, okay, it should be somewhat be here, so that's why option number 4 also incorrectly. Option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 9. Here the two lines making something angle, so this horizontal arrow will be same as it is, and this vertical will be like this toward the down, okay, and this inclination will be started here and with this circle. So like this shape is given in option number 3. Now question number 10. So here the circle will be form up this vertical line nearest to the water surface, and it will start like this one, and then after this one like a Y shape, it's splitting to the two directions, and then inside that one the small circles, and this figure is given in option number 3. Thank you.